What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, we're going to be making some CrockPot beef stroganoff, and you know what they say. If you stroganoff, you better not do it too much because you'll go blind, boy. So, let's go ahead and make this shit, because here's the deal, buddy boy. You know, I woke up this morning and went to work. It was a nice, not too bad, 62 degrees. Buddy boy, I got off of work and I was freezing my butt. It dropped down to about 35, man. I'm cold over here, dog. Kind of like that scene from Grumpy Old Men.
Oh, cold enough for you?
Oh, shut up, fat ass.
That's what I'm talking about. Well, I love that movie. So, we can go ahead and make something to warm our bones in this little cooler weather we got going on. So, first thing you gotta do, gotta get that big beef, baby, that stew meat. Not that stew pickles either. We're talking about that stew meat because that's kind of why I made this deal. Because I'm going to tell you something. I ain't never made this shit before, man. I just started making it because I had some stew meat laying around. I said, you know, I don't really want beef stew. Let me try some Stroganoff, if you will, sir. So, kind of sound like Ivan Drago's ass out there trying to get my ass kicked by Rocky. So, we're going to go ahead and put that in there. Now, this is the thing about it. Usually when I have the stroganoff, like I say, haven't made it homemade before, I get that hamburger helper, and it helps me out good time because I don't know how to make this sauce. And I kind of looked up a few recipes and said, oh, you get some flour, you get a little bit of this, you get a little bit of that, talk my damn leg off, but you know me, buddy. You know what I'm gonna say. I get tired of that shit out. I'm gonna do it my way today, and I'm sure it's gonna work out lovely. So, go ahead and put your meat in there, and we gonna add some cream of mushroom soup, the cream of the crop, like Macho Man Randy Savage, baby. Ooh, the cream of the crop, brother. So, go ahead and put your cream in now. Now, we're going to put our lid on top. And that's the thing about it. See? Simple, easy, and you're saying yourself like I want. That color don't look right. It ain't done yet, buddy boy. Wait your turn. Now, let's go ahead and put the lid on there. Set this on high. We're going to let it go about, just a few hours or so. You know, let's go smoke a duper and watch Wayne's World, if we will. So, we'll do that. And then, when that's done, we're going to stir it around. And when it's got that good color, that good flavor, we might add just a little bit of salt and pepper, maybe just a little bit of flour to kind of thicken it up a little bit, you know, because we like it thick over here, Big Daddy. Yeah, so we got that thickness. Let's go ahead and boil some egg noodles, and then all there is to it, sweetness. Let's have us a sight and a big warm bite of this stroganoff tonight because I'm freezing my butt off in here. Boo, boo, boo. Alright, baby, the time has come. The CrockPot stroganoff is done. And I'm about to have that first steaming hot bite for myself. I could stand here and warm my hands, but I'd rather warm my gut, if you know what I'm talking about. So, stand back, buddy. Because it's steaming hot like Big Daddy. So, let's get us a little bite, shall we now? Ooh, that hot. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's just what I needed, boy. It's warm, beefy, hearty, delicious, man. That sauce kind of came out kind of like a little gravy deal. Got the gravy, got the beef, got the big egg noodles, boy. That's some good stuff. That will warm your bones on an old, cold, chilly day. So, I want to thank you for stopping by and warming your butt on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'd like to get back to my stroganoff if you don't mind. So, I'll see you next time. Love you. Stay warm out there. It's cold. Bundle up, baby. Get some of this.